Yes. The secrets for preventing fraud. How is Susie? Susie Orman, it's Paul. Listen, I'm just looking at this AARP. Look at number two, downsize your own castle now. 70's the new 65. I happen to be 48 and I'm a little concerned about my retirement. Susie, it's Paul. My wife had a dissolution of marriage issued against me when I wasn't a resident. Well, I was a resident, but I wasn't a resident during the time of the protection order. Yeah. Where she motioned the court for a default dissolution of marriage, and the same court commissioner was hearing the modification of the protection order at the same time. Well, I'm concerned that my retirement's being affected, and I haven't been able to earn an income because the county decided to deceive the whole nation about the validity of the actual court orders they were issuing. And everybody I said that I was a crazy one for thinking that it is affecting my retirement. Oh, now, Susie, sign these papers. I know you love your family. Isn't that right? But the what's in your heart is not enough at this stage of your life. Preparing these documents is one of the most profound acts of love you can bestow. Considering the marriage certificate that we have was issued from the United Nations and I wasn't given notice of court hearings before they issued the actual dissolution of marriage, I think we're still married and I'm concerned about my wife's retirement considering she got a job in a school district. Now, this durable power of attorney for healthcare, yes. Since there's no reciprocity, yes. And I wasn't given notice of court hearings, yes. And it was the same court commissioner that was, well, really handling both cases, yes. And they keep obstructing my right to have some sort of legal representation, yes. Could you get me the retirements of all of those that have beneficiaries? A lot of times, because I was a financial consultant, Susie, let's say she was to die. Did she name the five miners' name without signing the beneficiary form or the actual employment contract? I thought I'd make myself the beneficiary of all retirements of all school teachers in every school district of the United States. Now, of course, if they live, okay, I could sue them for their tax deferred accounts, but if they die, which I'd like to get the retirements. Now, when you go through the actual retirements, yes, get me the beneficiaries because is there any, well, contractual obligation to pay somebody that is not named as a beneficiary?